Good evening, students. This is Gupta sir. Today I have brought a few questions which are very, very important for your coming examination, which is going to be held in this month. I have taken a few very important questions of definite integration using property. See, number one, I have taken this question, that is integration of log tan x dx and limits are 0 to pi by 2. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आने का बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस है. इसे कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं आपको मैं अभी आइडिया देता हूं. सी, I is given as okay, lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 2. Now we know that this is the property of definite integration. Okay, if 0 is in the lower limit and a is upper limit fx dx, by using property it will become 0a. Instead of x we write a minus x. This is the property. Okay, so we have to use this property to find out its value. See, log tan, suppose we consider this thing as equation 1. Okay, now by using property we can write, okay, we have done nothing new, only I have used this property. Okay, now this will become, this is log, we know that tan pi by 2 minus x, that is cot x. We suppose this thing as equation 2. ठीक है, यहां तक कोई डाउट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं किया मैंने, खाली मैं इस प्रॉपर्टी को यूज किया हूं. देखो, ठीक है. नाउ एडिंग equations 1 and 2 we get, हमने इक्वेशन 1 और 2 को ऐड किया, then I plus I, that will be I plus I, 0 pi by 2, this is log tan x dx plus log cot x dx. Okay, which means this is 2i, this is 0, this is pi by 2. Okay, when we add this thing, this will, by the property of log, it will be multiplied, because we know that, what we know that log a plus log b is equal to log ab. ओके, लॉग का क्या प्रॉपर्टी यूज हो रहा है मैं उसको भी एक्सप्लेन कर दिया हूं. ओके, सपोज दिस इज a, दिस इज b, इट कैन बी रिटन एज log tan x into cot x dx. Okay, now it will become 0 pi by 2, both will be cancelled out, the rest is log 1 dx, and we know that log 1 is 0, that is entire answer is 0. Okay, hope आपको ये समझ में आया होगा. बहुत सिंपल है, only I have used this property. Okay, please copy, you can take screenshot, and if any doubt is arisen then you can comment me. I will explain this thing in my next class. Next question, which is also very important, and that is number 2. This is 0 pi by 2 root sin x divided by root sin x plus root cos x into dx. It's also a very good question. Okay, we have to use the same property. जो property मैं use किया हूं number 1 question में, we have to use the same property. Okay, therefore I is 0 pi by 2 sin x root sin x divided by root sin x plus root cos x dx. We assume this thing as equation 1. Okay, let me raise. By using property. Okay, I will be equal to 0 pi by 2. Instead of x, we can write down pi by 2 minus x. This is pi by 2 minus x root over divided by sin pi by 2 minus x root plus cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay, only I have used the property. केवल मैं property use किया हूं, ठीक है, which implies that I is 0 pi by 2. We know that sin pi by 2 minus x, you have been taught in standard 9 or 10. Okay, sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x. This will be root cos x plus this will be root sin x dx. This is equation 2. Okay, pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. So we have got two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Now adding equations 1 and 2, we get, okay, you have to use the language like that. Now I and I will be 2i. This is 0 pi by 2 root sin x divided by root sin x plus root cos x dx plus 0 pi by 2, and this is root cos x divided by sin x root sin x plus root cos x. Okay, which means 2i will be equal to, when these will be added, then it will be sin x plus root sin x plus root cos x divided by root sin x plus root cos x. Okay, very simple. Okay, both will be cancelled out, which means 2i 0 pi by 2 here cancel 1 into dx, and we know that integration of dx is x, so it can be written as x lower limit 0 upper limit pi by 2. Now we simply put the values, that is limits pi by 2 minus 0, which makes it pi by 2. Therefore 2i is equal to pi by 2, hence I will be pi by 4. This is the required answer. प्लीज नोट डाउन। होप आप समझ गए होंगे। इस क्लास में मैं 2 क्वेश्चन को सिलेक्ट किया हूं। सिंस आपका एग्जाम बहुत क्लोज है, मेरा मोटो रहेगा क्लास का कि मैं उन क्वेश्चंस को सिलेक्ट करूं जो क्वेश्चन एग्जामिनेशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। अभी इस क्लास में 2 क्वेश्चन, इसके बाद मैं और आपको वीडियोस भेजता रहूंगा अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चन लेकर। इसे समझिए और खुद प्रिपरेशन करिए आप लोग। ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर कमिंग एग्जामिनेशन। थैंक यू।